You will take care of it.
Yeah. How are you? What is your good name?
Sir. Oliver, sir.
Okay.
I'm your local guide.
Okay.
Okay, where are you from, sir?
I'm from originally Sri Lankan, but I live in Doha.
Qatar.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. That's good. But can you speak English, sir?
Yeah, of course,
Okay,
of course.
that's good, sir. Before we go to the butterfly, sir, I can show you the left side.
Okay.
Are you a vlogger, sir?
Yeah.
Vlogger, oh, nice. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have 4 YouTube channels: cooking, traveling, entertainment.
Wow, maybe later we will I ask you that.
Some questions.
I will show.
Okay, no
So I
problem.
can show. Okay.
Okay.
And this is our caterpillar, sir. Caterpillar. First is the egg. Later we will see the egg, sir.
Is alive?
Alive, sir. We just wait to get
Become a butterfly.
Yeah.
I'm from Sri Lanka, so Sri Lanka also same culture. This butterflies and also living there.
This is the breeding of our butterflies, ma'am. You should notice the green, sir.
It's
The
all
green one,
alive, alive, huh?
Yes,
Ah.
alive. We're just waiting them to hatch. This green will turn into a brown, like that, sir. And then the yellow, black and yellow, it will turn into a all black.
How long it take time? How many weeks? So
1 to 5 days.
1 to 5 days.
After 1 to 5 days, they will get all hatched.
Ito po, lahat po alive lupa.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. In the plate, sir, that's the secondary food of our butterflies, sir. We put honey and water, sir, so that they can drink. The one is drinking, sir. But today,
This one is
sir,
a plastic
foam.
foam. Huh?
We put honey and water so that it cannot dry easily. Sad to say, sir, today, black butterfly. So that's the rare. Rare butterfly, sir. Did you know that butterfly, they mate 24 hours or 1 day, sir?
24 hours?
They mate.
They
Yeah.
mate.
After mating, sir, the male will die. Because it requires sacrifice. Sir. Sacrifice.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Wait. Wait, huh? Okay.
After 1 week, sir, it will turn into a baby caterpillars.
The one is in the box.
Yes. Okay. Take your time, sir.
Yeah.
I just wait.
So can you follow me with this?
Okay.
While I'm taking it.
Yeah. You like traveling, sir?
Sorry?
You like traveling?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I was went to Coron to Manila to Bohol, Iloilo, Lakaon,
Wow,
Boracay,
that's a lot, sir.
yeah, and then Cebu, Bohol, tomorrow Palawan,
Wow, my God.
traveling.
I like it, sir. I like. Actually, that's the queen butterfly, sir.
This one, huh?
Ah.
哇，以前好靚啊，係真係。
big. Support ya. Nah, ya dah, usaya dah.
Ay. Starting from where? This is just a.
Preserve.
Ah.
We have a saltwater crocodile, sir. 3 years old, sir, from Davao, sir.
Okay. I can go from this side.
You want to take picture?
Yeah.
I help you, sir. I help you. It's.
You can go inside. You
No,
mean?
no, no. That's the camera.
Oh, okay. What it called this place? This place, what is name called?
Exotic Animal Park.
From Cebu. Cebu, right? Bohol.
Bohol. I think it's okay, sir.
Yeah. Let me take like this also. Okay.
Okay. This is python, Samantha. This is the biggest python in Bohol, sir.
You mean he died already?
He died because of old age. When she lives, sir, she can eat 80 kilos pig good for 1 month.
80 kilo.
80 kilos pig. Yeah. I'm 80 kilos, sir, but I'm not a pig, sir.
In my country, we cannot find Doha. It's not allowed to eat pork. Muslim, right?
Wow.
They are very hard to find the pork. But here, pork is run after me. Pork is run after me. There, we have to run after pork because it's too hard to find. Only in the one place only we can buy. That only can go on non-Muslims.
Okay.
Muslims not allowed to eat pork. But I am eating. I am not a Muslim.
Oh. So if a Muslim, sir, eat pork, it's
They
not
cannot.
good, it's not
No,
Muslim.
no.
Wow, why, sir?
Their religions is like that. Their religions.
So
Can I have a photo of this
As usual.
with me?
So I remember when it's Ramadan in Philippines, sir. No eating pork.
Yeah.
Ramadan.
Ah.
Ramadan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect, sir. Perfect. I will subscribe your channel, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Subscribe there.
Let's go. Oh, it's living outside, huh?
Oo sir, mo na ito long-tailed macaque. So mo na lang regular size one sir, di na isip. Di na rin sila malaki yun. So yun yung local monkey yun natin.
Ganyan lang yung talagang
Pero actually yung sir, yung monkey yun namin ano sir, tatlo yun sila. Pero yung isa kasi
What they eat, egg.
di ba?
What they you feed usually?
Matalino yun ang monkey.
What you're feeding for this?
Chicken, sir.
Chicken. Full chicken?
3 chickens.
Full chicken.
Ginawa ng may-ari, ginawa ng chicken. Tamad ito.
They're not. They're harmless, right?
Harmless because they were domesticated, sir.
Tamad o kasi.
Sir, will you check this?
Python.
Pero unique lang mo yung caretaker namin dito kasi unggoy yung unggoy. Hoy, kahit ikaw ginabinhoangan yung mga kauban ha?
You can touch the head, sir, if you want.
Can touch?
Yes. Sir.
How weight is this one? The weight.
Wait, this yellow weight for 50 to 60. That one, 70 to 80.
Logan na yan, ano?
It's the feed, sir.
Mas na ilaw pa na?
For dinner or lunch? Hold on.
Dinner,
Dinner, huh?
later. But did you know that, sir, if we put our python in the forest, they will die, sir?
This one. Because they grow up with the people.
No?
Pag si ma'am,
Then
hindi nila
they didn't know how to hunt.
Ah, yeah, because you already
Yeah,
feeding
we
every day.
feed. Yes. And these ones are shedding, sir, so not allowed to touch.
That one,
Because his skin is very sensitive, sir.
his skin, huh?
Just like that one, sir. The skin is very beautiful, unlike this one.
Which one?
Over there.
Ah, there's another one.
Want to touch the head, sir? Hold the head.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That's good. Okay.
Can you take a photo while I'm...
Yes. Here, sir. Please.
Wait, I'll put the camera here.
I hold that one. Okay, down, sir. Hold this one.
From here, huh?
Okay. Here. Okay, that's good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Get a close-up one. Come closer and...
Okay. You can down slowly, sir. Slowly. Okay, slowly. Good. You can wash your hand over there, sir.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. And are you familiar with the seaweed cat, sir?
That's...
The one with coffee beans and then pop, the most expensive coffee, sir. Seaweed cat, sir. The one with coffee beans and then pop, the most expensive coffee.
He's eating only that one.
No, but we only feed banana, sir.
But...
Banana. And when she poops, sir, we have a banana shake, sir. Just joking.
If you're going to feed that coffee, you will have to close this shop place and only feeding only because too much expensive you
Because
say.
these animals is very endangered, sir.
Huh.
Few seaweed cat we say in Bohol, sir. Only few. If you go to the forest, sir, few only you can see. Vlogger.
Okay.
Wala ka pa.
Oo, mawin na. Hindi naman yung body.
Ate, ano yung pipiliin mo? Ayun na.
These fellows are so many in my country.
Okay.
They are very familiar friends.
Be careful, sir.
They are thiefers we call. They are thieving the cups and all.
May.
Ay, malaw. Nahay, ano yun?
Sama itong daga na.
How much yours?
150 One sandal
Send on me this place name.
means like that.
You have also like this, but not much hanging, huh? No, I don't like that color. Black or white.
We have maroon.
So let me buy some souvenir. For the ladies, what? You have t-shirts only? For the ladies?
Yes.
T-shirts only, yeah? How much those?
For
Like this?
100. $95 latte.
Change of. Exit from here?
Yes.
Okay? You want to drink something?
No, I'm fine. You. You want?
Well, going. What else? Finish the program? Any other places?
Backline Church and Red Compact.
Ah, okay.